All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between ever makes you lost. When you were born there was thunder. Fire lit in the sky as the lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain.
Hey y'all, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys so much. Oh my god, I feel like I've been gone for like a whole year. Okay, I apologize, but let's get into this video. I'm just super hyped because like I'm doing my voiceover and I'm curling my wig. Like, hello. So I'm going to be curling this wig I made. This is 4 bundles with a lace frontal. So I'm going to be using my Baby Bliss Marcel iron, and just watch me do this one curl. I'm not going to say anything. I just want you guys to just watch. If you follow my steps, you will do great. First step, comb out the hair. Then you're going to open the curling iron and feed in the hair. While feeding in the hair, make sure that the hair is on the opposite side. You're going to open the curling iron, hold the hair for 10 seconds, and then you're going to pin the curl. You're pinning the curl so that it can stay in place. I'm using a double prawn clip to pin the curls. So again, you're going to feed in the hair. While you're feeding in the hair, you're holding the hair on the other side so the curls can be the same. It could be uniformed and it just won't look loose. I wanted to go for a tighter curl. That's why I'm making sure everything looks neat and nice. So again, I'm going to hold the curl, okay, because I just like to hold my curls to let it sit in my hand and then let it go. And after I'm done letting it go, I go ahead and pin the hair using my double prawn clips. The longest length on this wig is a 28 inch. So can you imagine me curling a 28 inch hair? Yeah, it was a lot of, wrist movement and stuff. But, I got it done. I feel like holding the curl in your hand makes sure like it keeps the curl pattern, and then using the double prawn clips just like it's like a topping on the cake. Okay, is a topping on the icing on the cake. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing the same thing. Make sure that you also get the ends of the hair, because you don't want everything to be curled and then the ends look weird. Okay, so you want everything to be curled from the roots to the ends. Okay, the barrel that I'm using is a 1.5 inch barrel. I got this curling iron from cosmetology school. Yes, I am a licensed cosmetologist, and most of my stuff that I use, I got it from beauty school. Not my mannequin. I got my mannequin from the beauty supply store. I mean, not the beauty supply store, but Dinah from Amazon. I purchased it from Amazon, guys. So now that we sectioned that side of the wig, I am going to now go ahead and start curling the closure. Frontal is a frontal, it's not a closure, sorry guys. So I am going to start doing like different shapes of curls. So this curl, I'm going to be curling it away from my face, and then the next curl I'm going to be curling it towards my face, so it looks like a S shape kind of look. I wanted the front to have like a lot of body and movement, not just be uniform, because the back of the wig is uniformed, and then the frontal I wanted to like have some kind of, you know, flow to it. So here I'm going to be curling the hair towards my face. So once I release the iron, once I release the curl, you're gonna see it looks like a S. So yeah. So I just wanted to let you guys know the trolley that I have all of my hair products and blow dryers, hot combs and everything, I bought it from Amazon, and most of my products I got it from my beauty supply store, my local beauty supply store, including the double prong clips and the bigger clips. So I got most of my stuff from Amazon and the beauty supply store. And I just wanted to let you guys know that the background music that you guys are hearing on this video and most of my tutorials, I basically did it myself using GarageBand. Yes, I did my background music myself, and I'm super proud of myself. So now that I am completely done with this style, I'm going to use my Chi 44 helmet hairspray to set my curls and let it set, you know, just let it set for a while. And this is the outcome of everything. You guys can see how it looks like with a side part curl, and this is how it looks like with a middle part. It looks really nice. This is when I first made the wig. You guys can see the laces on it. And yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in my next tutorial. Bye y'all.